YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is again a swatch video. Now I had done a swatch and review video of the Swiss Beauty palette previously, and if you guys haven't checked that out yet, I will link it somewhere on the screen. So today I will be swatching the Revolution Unicorn palette, which is this one. Now this one I received from one of my very dearest elder sister, and I will be doing the swatch video of this one and the review of this one. Now I have done this particular makeup look with this my eye makeup look. Let me know in the comment section down below, did you like the eye makeup look for today or not? And without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. And if you haven't participated in my giveaway yet, I will mention the link somewhere on the screen so you guys can go ahead and participate in my giveaway as well. So for the packaging part, it's very fancy. It's almost like you know that packaging when light falls in and it reflects with different colors. So it is of that packaging and it's very beautiful and pink, and you know, the one which I love the most. So I will mention the price on the screen, and I will also like give the links to purchase this particular eyeshadow palette in my description box down below, so please don't forget to check that out. So this is how the palette looks like. It's compact, it's tiny, but it has got all such beautiful shades. Like you can create many beautiful eye makeup look with this particular palette. So almost like unicorn shades. This is how the palette looks like. So it does not have any names on it, so I'll just begin with the first one, which is the purple one. So I just quickly take down my hands. So I'll be just going in with 3. So I'll be just taking the first 3 for now. And because of my skin tone, you might not be able to see the second one, but I will definitely try to show it to you guys as much as possible. So I am starting with the first one. So this is how it is. Since there are not many colors, I am the purple, the silver and the pink. I love the purple and pink because I have used it on my eye makeup look. So this is how it looks like, you know. So next I will be using, now there is another silver. So this one is almost like a creamy white kind of a thing, and so I will be taking the next 3 colors. So the next are silver, which of course. Next I am taking a very peach color. It is a beautiful color. I loved it. Next it is a bit of a yellow and goldenish shade. So I'll just quickly take that. I'll just quickly go on with silver. The silver is very pigmented, like very sparkly. Next I'm taking the peach one. And next I'm taking the golden one. This is how it looks like. Let me know in the comment section down below which color is your favorite, because I personally love the silver, pink and purple and beautiful colors. Next I'm coming towards the last section which is left. I'm beginning with this one. Now this one is almost like a very mauvey kind of a color, and then we have a purple and silver mixed kind of a color. So oh, the mauve color is very good. I'm just waiting to, okay, the purple one is so good. I think that I found my new favorite. So I think now I love the purple one more. So this is how it looks like. Let me know in the comment section down below which color is your favorite. With different sorts of neighbors, guys. So this is how all the colors looks like. Let me know in the comment section down below which color is your favorite. My personal favorite would be the purple, the pink, the silver and the last shade, which is of dark purple. I really love this one. Now I would say that this particular makeup palette is highly pigmented. Now what I had seen in the Swiss Beauty palettes is that it also had like the shades which is there over here. Also had the shades which is available over here as well, but those were not pigmented at all. No matter how many times I tried to show it to you guys with swatches, it was never coming out that pretty well. But imagine what this peach color, you can just figure out the peach color, it's so pigmented. I love this particular eyeshadow palette, and you can create different looks with this particular eyeshadow palette, like 100% sure, like 100% guarantee on that part. Love this palette. And let me know in the comment section down below how you did found out this video. Did you like the swatch video or not? Because I would be doing a lot of swatch videos and a lot of makeup videos, so stay tuned for that. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video thoroughly and enjoyed my swatching videos. This makeup palette is a very favorite of mine. Even if it's small, it's compact, I really love the palette. Do let me know which color was your favorite, and let me know if you have any particular video request of my makeup look, so in the comment section down below for sure. And if you haven't participated in the giveaway video yet, I will mention the link somewhere on the screen, so stick around and you will be surprised with many more such giveaways coming up on my channel. So till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.